What's everyone up to today? Just out in the morning, drinking my coffee, looking at my garden. It's a good morning routine, I tell you. We are getting tons of sugar baby watermelons here. Let's see here. This one's almost ready. You see this? You see that? It's almost ready. It's curled, but it's not curled all the way and it's not dried. Alright, so we got those there. What else we got up in here? This is my first time ever, like, succeeding. That one, see that one? It's curled. That one's going to be ready probably this week. That one's not, so that's what, 5? Let's see what else we can find up in here. Oh, here's a couple. I don't know how long this video is going to be, but I want to walk through these with you guys. Not yet. Getting there though, huh? Ooh, that's a good size one there. Ooh. Man, there's quite a few here. These things were extremely productive. Sugar baby watermelon. I gotta remember these next year. Ooh, what's that? Look at that. Is that the one? Oh, that thing is totally coiled up. Decent size. I don't know. Let's see what else. So it's 5, 6, 7, 8. That's a nice one. Not yet. See that? Not yet. Let's see. Here's a couple in here. What do we got cooking up in here? No, tendril's still alive and going. Got a few dead leaves up in there. 8, 9. Man, we're getting quite a few. That's good. I'll be honest, I was truly expecting these to be a flop, because I just happened to throw in some spare seeds. No, I know those are ready. I was really hoping I'd be able to pick one. See that? It's drying out and it's curled. That one could be done. That one could be done. What else we got cooking over here? Sorry the video is so long, but this is exciting to me. It's super exciting. I've never grown these bad boys before, and I'm having awesome production. So to a farmer, that's kind of like winning the lottery there, or at least a scratch and win. I don't know. Some of these are looking pretty good. But that's the update. We are getting some major production in our sugar babies. So now you know what to look for when you want to harvest. That tendril's got to be curled up. All right? Happy farming, y'all. Later.